Stop pulling that mole face.
Hey, I'm serious. Your ears might fall off while you're watching this video. Hello, I'm Samu. Some of you might know me. And yes, I'm that guy who made those crazy biology videos. If you still don't know what I'm talking about, just go find Miss Spiegler. She'll probably show you. So, today is Mo Day. It is such a lovely holiday. We even got school day off today.
文佑，
啊
末节要放假啦！
啊，真假哦？
系啊，
哦，我当做有放假哦，好啦。Well, anyway, it's still a lovely holiday. Plus, we got extra credit if we bring in something. And who doesn't like extra credit? So I decided to make this video. However, in order to explain this whole mole thing, I gotta study the whole chapter 10. Yep, you hear me, the whole chapter 10. And it's a lot. It's a solid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. From 320 to 354, a solid 35 pages of reading. It took me literally the entire day to figure this whole mole thing out. Also, I'm dealing with those quantum electrons, SPDF stuff. It almost drives me nuts. But extra credits is always worth it. Before I start this off, I'm gonna say this. This video is extremely confusing. Trust me, I'm not even finished with this video, but I know it will be confusing. So if you are having a rough day, just shut your ear out, because this will probably add more stress to you. So let's get started. Mole. It is a SI unit for substance. 1 mole of anything is equal to 6.0221367 times 10 to the 23rd power of particles. By particles, it means atoms, ions, or chemical formula, which we will talk about later. For example, 1 mole of iron equals 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd power of iron atoms. And 1 mole of oxygen equals to 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd of oxygen atoms. To make things easier, I uses my toy soldiers for analogy. I put 1 pair mole equals 2 soldiers, which means 2 soldiers form 1 pair mole. These are some examples of a pair mole. You can see that 2 soldiers are in 1 pair mole. If I have 1 and 2 pair mole, I will get 4 soldiers. If I have 6 soldiers, I will get 3 pair mole. If I got 3 soldiers, then it will be 1.5 pair mole. This part is pretty easy. The next part is molar mass. Molar mass is the mass of 1 mole. Any element's molar mass is equal to its atomic mass. For example, iron has an atomic mass of 55.845. That means iron's molar mass equals to 55.845, which also means 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd of iron atoms has a molar mass of 55.845. For doing the analogy for my soldiers, I made my little soldieric table, and I put on some symbols and numbers. The symbols indicate what type of soldiers it is, and the number indicates how much molar power, which is firepower, it has. For example, this little guy is PS, because it is pink and it got shot, so it's PS, and it only has 1 molar power. And this guy is called BK because he is brown and he has a knife, so it's BK. He has a 6 for its molar power. So let's look at this. This is a mole of soldiers called GL, which is Green Lieutenant. It has a molar mass of 8. So one pair mole of Green Lieutenant has 8 molar power. So how many molar power do these soldiers have? So looking at our soldier addict table, we found out that one mole of Green Infantry have a molar power of 16. Let's look back at the picture. There are 4 GI soldiers, which means there are 2 mole pairs of GI. If we do the math, we will find out that 2 mole pairs of GI have a molar power of 32. So at last we can conclude that 4 GI soldiers can form 2 mole pairs of GI and have a total of 32 molar powers. And that's how you transfer soldiers to molar powers. If you want the opposite, from molar powers to soldiers, you simply do the same process but oppositely. Yeah, I know, there are quite a few things. But don't worry, there's more. Next, we'll get into the moles of compound. I believe you guys all know this, right? We all know that it represents the molecule of the compound, but it also represents 1 mole of this kind of compound. Another example, carbon dioxide. Looking at the formula CO2, we can know that 1 mole of carbon dioxide is composed of 1 mole of carbon plus 2 mole of oxygen. In my analogy, I call these chemicals squad, because a squad is a combination of different soldiers. Just like this, it has 2 mole of BW, 1 mole of BI, 1 mole of BL, and 1 mole of BA. And this will be the formula for this squad. If the squad doubles, the mole pairs and the soldiers in the squad will double too. So now, the task is how to find out the molar power in the squad. You simply do the math for each mole pair and then add them up. 1 mole of GR soldiers times 2 molar power. 1 mole of GL soldiers times 8 molar power. 1 mole of GMP soldiers times 9 molar power. And then 3 mole of GM soldiers times 22 molar power. So add them all up, you got the answer. There are still more stuff about this mole thing. There are things like percent composition or formulas of hydrate. This is kind of what it looks like. And this is my analogy. But I know you guys are starting to get boring, so I will just stop there. So thank you for watching this super confusing video. If you get it, then that's great. If you don't, that's fine too. Because I'm sure the teacher is going to do a better job than me by explaining it. So thank you again, I'm Samu, and have a great mole day.
真的香，真的香，真的香，真的香，多谢你这这年来一直陪伴我唱歌，真的香，真的香，真的香，真的香。我不管要唱啥，你拢会听进阮遮。我不知道。两个人一起歌，我是我不感谢。